Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Back out here at the field, and this time I'm back out here with the Cobra 2. Wanted to fly this out here. It seems like every time I get this out here it's very windy. It's not as windy as it was that first time I brought it out here, but it's kind of windy, and unfortunately I have the wheels on it and I can't remove the front wheel because it's screwed on, so I'm going to have to try to do a landing over here in this sandy area. I know I can't take off with it because it's too grainy, so I'm just going to hand toss it, and then I'm going to try to come in for a landing. Let's get it in the air. They need to come out with some runways like a foldable runway for these planes to bring out here to the field. But let's try to set it down so we can get level. It didn't bind for some reason. Let's try it again. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's try to toss it. Well, I don't even know what mode I got it in. Let's see. Oh, it was in mid mode. It's in beginner now. We're in beginner mode now. We're back in mid mode. See if it does a roll. Yep. Well, yeah, it did a roll. See if we can get a loop. Oh man, try it. I don't know why it didn't try to pull up. It just went straight into the ground, and now it seems like it's freaking out. I'm not giving any input in this doing that. Let me see. Maybe it was going to keep going. Oh man, and it looks like we broke the little holder that holds the pop-off prop. And I don't even see the pop-off prop. But check it out. It looks like we cracked it. So that might be the end of our flight, y'all. Just as quick as it started, the flight of this Cobra 2 is over. So I figured I'd bring this plane over to this area over here so we can at least try to take off and land with it. I didn't want to leave you guys with such a short video. Hopefully we won't have any issues with taking off from right here with it. Let's see, we're in mid mode. Look like we're gonna have a problem with steering it. Let's try. It's up in the air. Flying pretty nice. I don't know about how tight it's going to turn. Oh! We made it through. Whoa! We'll go around one more time. Woo! It dipped on me, y'all. Let's see if we can get a landing. Gonna swing around this time. This time we're gonna try to. Oh. I didn't like how I had it. Okay, let's try to bring it down this way. Oh. Came in hot with the landing, but it's right side up. The Cobra 2 from Top RC. Thanks for watching.